stores allows you to create multiple business units and assign them to the channels. Today, I'll show you how you can do it. You have to go to the business units tab when you can see already created business units. Let's create a new one. Let's call it the code, the company name, the representative and the tax ID are all mandatory to create the shop. I want to create a Polish business unit that will be responsible for the channel for the Polish market. Right now I have all the necessary informations and I can create the business unit. Now let's assign them to the channel. You have to go to the channel tab. Then let's go for the home channel, and here you can pick our new business unit and assign it. That's it. Thank you.